So you're struggling to stand out in the crowded marketplace where you're an affiliate. Well, there's a secret to boost your affiliate commissions. And in this video, I'm going to share with you inside of my top strategy. Now, inside of my top strategy, we start with traffic, but the secret to boosting your affiliate commissions is a bonus, but not just any bonus, a bonus that is your own product, a real product that you have up for sale on a marketplace that people can actually buy so you can earn money from your own product, but then you have the ability to use this product as a bonus when you are participating in an affiliate promotion, especially a launch of a product. Then you could tap into this and you can say, hey, check out this. I got a product in mind. It's going to help you immensely when you pick up this. And then you tell them about the product that you're an affiliate for, link in the description, grab the bonus when you grab the product. And that's the concept. And I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how to do this. Pinpoint the problem, create a simple, smart solution, and then post that solution for sale. Remember, we're talking about creating our own product here that we're going to use as a bonus. So we want to make sure that we actually have this up for sale. Now, the way I do this is over at Gumroad. You can see these reports. There's actually a link in the description. You can grab this report here, the Simple Truth Report, What Really Works in Internet Marketing. It is free, and I do that for a reason. It is a lead magnet. I am giving that away so people can see the quality of my reports. Then if they want to purchase those, I can actually make money. You can see here on my Gumroad store, just by giving away that free report here on YouTube, people are finding my products, and I made $614.50. But going back to the strategy of using it as a bonus, I take those same products, those products that they know that they've seen me selling over on Gumroad. So they know that I'm selling those products, that those products are up for sale. They're real products. So that increases both the perceived and real value of the product as a bonus. So you go back and then you sell your own products, and you can see here the money I've made so far this year. Then just recently, I did an affiliate promotion, and I did this. About the same that I've done just having those products up for sale and letting people know about that free product, and then saying, hey, check out this bonus that I have, 1 or 2 of those products that I have for sale that people can see or have seen over on Gumroad. Then I offered it up as a bonus. They took me up on that offer of a bonus, and they purchased the affiliate product because it matched up well with the product that I was promoting, and it's going to help them get more out of the product that they purchased, going to help them solve their problem. And you can see here, I made this additional money, or I was able to boost my affiliate commissions by using my own product as a bonus. Now, real quick, I have a workshop, and in that workshop, I'm going to have 3 modules or 3 lessons over 3 weeks where we're going to walk through this simple 3-step roadmap of pinpointing a problem, creating a simple, smart solution, and then posting that solution for sale up over on Gumroad for you to use as a bonus to boost your affiliate commissions as an affiliate marketer and stand out in that crowded affiliate market that you are trying to compete with the other vendors by standing out and setting yourself apart from them and offering up more value in your bonus when you promote this affiliate product. Link in the description. Check out the workshop. Look forward to seeing you inside the workshop. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.